showing you how to use spreadsheets in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So you cannot download Excel or any other apps in your MacBook, or maybe you can through a long complicated process, but let me show you a quick and easy one to help you. So what you need to do is just look down at the docs and find your Launchpad. So you have already downloaded app, so it's there with you since the beginning. So it's right here, it's a default app. Just tap on numbers and wait for it to load. Once you're here, you can see all these options. So you can use a blank or a table and chart or pivot basics. So it's completely up to you how you want it. So mostly people who want to use spreadsheets just choose blank. So just tap on create, wait for it to load, and now you can see you have a spreadsheet. So it's just a different name, but all of the settings are pretty much similar. So even the formulas for a spreadsheet that you typically use is very similar here. So you can just use it any way you want. And you have the formulas option here, right here. It's even more fancy than normal one. So just you can add things, you can delete them completely like a normal spreadsheet. So there you go. That's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.